Jadi di sini di pertemuan kedua kita akan menguji kalian, memberi tugas kalian untuk how to write application letter by using Canva based on the job vacancy each students. Jadi masing-masing siswa nanti kita membuat surat lamaran kerja. Okay, for the second meeting, I want to give you objective learning. Lakukan kegiatan pembelajaran dengan metode pembelajaran project-based learning ini dengan menggunakan pendekatan saintifik. Setelah menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks surat lamaran kerja, siswa diharapkan untuk mampu yang pertama untuk membedakan struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan teks khusus surat lamaran kerja yang memberikan dan meminta informasi terkait jati diri, latar belakang, pendidikan dan pengalaman kerja. Dan yang kedua, menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dalam suatu surat lamaran kerja. Oke, di poin untuk keterampilan, di penilaian keterampilan di sini siswa diharapkan mampu bisa menulis surat lamaran kerja yang memberikan informasi resmi antara lain terkait dengan jati diri, latar belakang pendidikan dan pengalaman kerja yang dimiliki oleh siswa. Dan setelah kalian menulis, diharapkan untuk bisa mengirimkan hasil karya kalian atau proyek kalian ke email guru, nama email guru Yani di sini. Ini nanti ditulis di sini ada. And then you can send your project to media sosial of SMK Kaungguan Surabaya. Oke? Ini tujuan pembelajaran yang untuk hari ini ya. Oke. Before we start our project, I want to give you to make a group. Okay, silakan buat grup. Okay, make group 4 or 3 students. In this skill assessment, I will give you a job vacancy. Every group you have one job vacancy. Vakansinya satu kelompok satu. And then, but when you write your application letter, you write about your personality, identify, confess yourself ya, by yourself. Jadi setiap anak membuat surat lamaran kerjanya masing-masing sesuai surat lamaran kerjanya yang kalian dapat. Sudah jadi kelompok ya? Yes, ma'am. Sudah. Okay, you can write in your laptop or your handphone by using aplikasi Canva. Ya, using you can write if you can write about the letterhead. Dimulai dari letterheadnya dulu, consist yourself. Ya, silakan dibuka laptopnya, dibuka dan HP-nya dibuka. Aplikasi Canva sudah dapat aplikasi semua ya? Sudah. Oke, good. Oke. ya, lowongan pekerjaan yang dibaca kalian. Oke? Any question? No, you understand? Oke. Di sini I will give you something. If you want to send some application letter, if there is any kirim lamarannya di email. If you get email, di sini you can write by Canva or the others. Diketik pokoknya intinya diketik ya, diketik dan komputer. But if there is send lamarannya itu ke alamat, address, misalkan ke tempat, you can writing by
I want to apply for PDIC Indonesia Automotive. And first, there is letter head, data processing, and relevant office techniques. I'm also skilled at using various analysis tools such as mechanical engineering to extract valuable insight from data. I'm particularly interested in PDIC Indonesia Automotive because of its reputation as a leader in PDIC Indonesia Automotive. I believe that the innovative and data-oriented work environment at this company will provide both an interesting challenge and an opportunity for continued growth in administration. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to the engineering team at PDIC Indonesia Automotive. I'm excited to share my insight and expertise in analyzing data to support informed and intelligent decision making. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to the opportunity to speak for the yours faithfully, Elsa Susaminya.
Okay, thank you. I want to ask you about the circle text for the audience. Letterhead di sini membuat nama, alamat, atau identitas, email aplikan. Aplikan itu orang yang membuat surat atau orang yang melamar pekerjaan, the sender, ya. Oke, letterhead. Jadi kalau yang di atas sendiri itu letterhead namanya. Letterhead misalkan Nuryani, Jalan Mawar, number 20, Surabaya, email bla 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 bla, itu namanya letterhead. Ya, letterheadnya letterhead sender identify. Date of letter. Date of letter, tanggal penulisan surat, ya. Tanggal penulisan surat di sini, tanggal ketika kalian menulis surat. Not date of the apply, bukan ketika kamu melamar, but when you write your letters. And then completeness, address and recipient company. Di sini alamat atau perusahaan yang dituju, ya. Oke. Salutation. Dior to Madam means application letter is important for you when you graduate from vocational high school, ya. Jadi surat lamaran kerja ini sangat penting ketika kalian nanti sudah lulus dari sekolah and you want to get good job. Jika kalian nanti sudah mau melamar pekerjaan, you must be there writing good application letter dengan menarik. Okay? I think the structures you understand ya, sudah paham ya, structure text, social function, and the language features-nya sudah paham semua, and you can do practice in your home. Okay, if you want some question, you can ask him to me. But before I give you the other materials, I will give you some the words, ya, to motivate your study. Motivasi yang harus kalian miliki, contohnya, you must have motivation words, sentence. If you believe in yourself, ya, if you believe in yourself, there is anything impossible, ya. Kalian harus percaya terhadap diri sendiri. Thank you student, thank you for your coming, thank you for your time, and thank you for your spirit. Okay? In the next materials, it is about how to get good interview. Okay? Okay, the class, I think it's enough for this meeting. And see you next time to get the next materials. Okay? Okay? Before the last meeting, Andika, we can pray. Lead your leaders.
My friends, before we are back to home, it's better we pray together. Pray, begin. Pray, finish.